Good morning. Welcome to Stars and Stripes Airlines. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. Just excited for my vacation.
That's wonderful. Where are you flying today?
I'm heading to Honolulu, Hawaii. Here's my passport and booking reference.
Thank you, Mr. Steven. Let me check that for you. Yes, I found your flight. You're on the 10:30 a.m. departure.
Perfect. Everything looks okay?
Yes, all good. Will you be checking any bags today?
Yes, just this one suitcase. I have my backpack as a carry-on.
Please place your suitcase on the scale. It's 42 pounds, well under the limit.
Great. I tried not to overpack since it's just me this time.
Standard procedure. Did you pack this bag yourself and has it been with you the whole time?
Yes, I packed it myself this morning.
Are there any hazardous materials like batteries or flammables in your checked bag?
No, I kept all my electronics and chargers in my backpack.
Perfect. Your backpack is fine as a carry-on. Just make sure it fits under the seats or in the overhead bin.
Noted. It's quite light.
I see you have an aisle seat. Would you prefer to keep that or would you like a window seat for the view?
Actually, I'd love a window seat if there's one available.
Let me check. Yes, I can move you to 14A. It's a great window view. Here is your boarding pass, Mr. Steven. Your gate is C12.
Thank you, Mrs. Emily. I appreciate the seat change.
You're welcome. Boarding starts at 9:45 a.m. I recommend heading to the gate 30 minutes before.
Got it. Gate C12 at 9:45.
Security is just to the right, past the duty-free shops.
Thanks. Is it usually busy on a Tuesday?
It's looking pretty clear right now. You should be through in about 15 minutes.
That's good news. I'll have time for a coffee then.
Here is your luggage claim tag. Keep this safe until you reach Honolulu.
Taking the tag, locked in my wallet. Thanks.
Is this your first time in Hawaii?
Yes, it is. I'm looking forward to some hiking and relaxation.
That sounds amazing. Is there anything else I can help you with before you head in?
No, I think I'm all set. You've been very helpful.
Since you're traveling solo, you might enjoy the lounge near gate C12. It's very quiet.
Oh, I'll definitely check that out. Thanks for the tip.
My pleasure. Have a fantastic vacation and a smooth flight, Mr. Steven.
Thank you. Have a great day at work.
Next guest, please.
Hawaii, here I come.